Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the luxurious features of the Iriber shower system, a wall-mounted shower faucet mixer set that promises to elevate your bathroom experience with its brushed gold finish and high-pressure shower head. This comprehensive shower trim kit includes a 10-inch round rain shower head, a versatile 3-setting handheld shower head, a 16-inch brass shower arm, a 1.5-meter stainless steel shower hose, a brass shower holder, and a brass shower mixer control valve, all designed for a concealed installation that keeps your bathroom neat and space-saving. The innovative air pressure technology mixes water with air for a refreshing and pleasant shower experience, while the self-cleaning nozzles make maintenance a breeze. Safety is paramount with the included pressure balance valve, which protects your family from scalds due to sudden changes in water pressure, making it especially safe for the elderly and children. The USNPT 1/2 connector ensures a seamless installation process with no need for additional adapters, and the package comes with easy-to-follow installation instructions. Whether you're upgrading your old shower system or installing a new one, the Iriber shower system offers a perfect blend of style, functionality, and safety for your bathroom oasis. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.